let's paint something red. Inspired by the nostalgia of I Spy books, I am taking a trip down memory lane and creating my own. I am doing spreads of different colours, starting with red. So on my red spread, there's just a bunch of objects that are red, and this is me painting them. Growing up in the late 90s, early 2000s, we kind of missed out on rotary phones. We had those like really ugly digital landlines that, you know, we wouldn't better use the internet while someone was using a phone and, you know, dial up and all of that. But my grandma had a rotary phone, and I remember thinking it was so cool when I was a kid. I loved dialing all the numbers for her, and so I decided I would paint a red rotary phone. I think these are so much fun. It's quite funny how the younger generation probably wouldn't know how to dial a number on a rotary phone these days. I think they just look cool. Like, I think they're just a really cool piece of decor, even though they're not really useful anymore because no one really has landlines. But yeah, I thought this was really cool. And then I also decided to paint some lips, and I'm kicking myself that I painted a random pair of lips when I could have painted the Rocky Horror lips. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I don't know what to tell you. But I was just thinking about that right now as I was editing, and I am honestly like so gutted I didn't paint the Rocky Horror lips, but it's too late now, so damn. Anyways, here are some lips.